Hello everyone, so today we're gonna be making this music playing decoration. The song is called You Are Not Alone by Michael Jackson. And the product we're gonna use to make this is the transparent printable vinyl sticker. So let me open up this package for you. So you can see it comes with two little small package, and this two little one looks a little different. So this one is a complete white vinyl sticker paper, and this one is called laminated paper. You can see it has a little grid on it, so this one is used to resist water, and this one is you're gonna use to print your pattern. This white paper is the actual vinyl sticker paper which we're gonna use to print your pattern, and this paper which has the grid on it is the laminated paper which we're gonna use to resist water. So when you open this studio software and upload the picture, this is actually the picture we gonna cut, and you can see it's right here. And the first thing we want to do is select trace area. So this is the area we're gonna trace. That means this is the area we're gonna cut, and we adjust the threshold a little bit more, and we click trace. So this is the actual pattern we're gonna cut, and we drag that original picture away. But you can see in the complete project, the song name is called Michael Jackson. Excuse me. The song name is You Are Not Alone by Michael Jackson. So we wanna change that song name and artist name as well. So we click release compound pass, and we can delete those two words and add new word here. You are not alone. And go to another line and type Michael Jackson. So this is the song name and the artist name. So but we do want to adjust the font size as well. So we minimize the font size. This Michael Jackson should be a little smaller. That's right. And You Are Not Alone should be much smaller as well. Get that word paralleled. So this is the pattern we're gonna cut, and now we can click send to send it to the cutting machine's interface. So you can see right here there are material you can choose, because we are cutting heat transfer vinyl, so we are choosing heat transfer vinyl reflective, and there are some cutting perimeter as well. But if you are not sure what the actual cutting perimeter is, you can check out our Amazon store to see what kind of vinyl you bought, and there should be a correspond cutting perimeters right in the product introduction page. So let's say the cutting perimeter for heat transfer vinyl is probably 3 in blade depths, 12 in force, and 2 in speed, and last coloring passes. So we got everything already set up, and now we just wanted to click send, so we can send this pattern to the cutting machines and let the cutting machine do their work. But you do want pay attention that you want to send this pattern as mirror. So when the last step is you click send mirror. So that is all about this sticker paper tutorial video today. And if you guys still have questions about how to make a great sticker paper, you can drop your comments down below in this video. And if you like our video, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.